With Kreado AI tool, you can express your idea in a creative and excited way. You can create a video in a minute with just a single line of command. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use this tool and will show you the results. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting AI tools. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to create an AI-generated video from a text script. Let us get started. Step 1. Register to free Kreado AI tool. For visiting first-time Kreado tool require registration. Open Kreado AI and click Try Kreado for free trial. Fill the registration form and confirm your email to start free trial. Step 2. Let's explore video creation tool. Click on Video Creation online Oral Broadcast Video Creation. Select Virtual Oral Characters for your video, the available option. Then select language as there are many language available. Select character tone of your choice. You can also select language style of your choice. Step 3. Enter text script in the text box. Adjust interval. Click on Audition to review audio. Step 4. When everything is ready, click on Generate Video. It will take few moments while processing your video. Step 1. Register to free Kreado AI tool. For visiting first-time Kreado tool require registration. Open Kreado AI and click Try Kreado for free trial. Fill the registration form and confirm your email to start free trial. You can view and download your video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if there is anything unclear in comment box and subscribe for more interesting video.